Hi friends, this video will demonstrate how to do addition using a calculator. Now, some people may say, well, using a calculator, that's cheating. But let me tell you a little secret. Most of the time, when adults do math, they use a calculator. Now you know. It's how you would use it if you were working in a restaurant or a grocery store. You're probably going to be using a calculator when you do your addition. So it's a really good skill to practice. Even if you already know how to do addition in your head or using the number line method or using the dot method. Today we're going to work on doing it with a calculator. So let's go ahead and do some practice ones. Now, when you're doing addition with a calculator or any sort of math problem, all you're having to do is match the numbers that you see in the problem to the buttons that you see on the calculator. So let's do a really easy example here. 2 plus 3 equals. If you can see the whole thing. There we go. Now, this is going to be where you pull out your calculator. Now, the first thing I see is a 2. So I'm going to write 2. Then the next thing I see is this plus sign. Now that's important. You have to put that on the calculator too. So you're going to come over here and find the one that looks just like the plus sign and click it. Now it won't show up on here if you're using this type of calculator, but because it's lit up like that, you know that you've entered it. Then I'm going to go to my next button that I would press, which is the 3. 2 plus 3. So I'm going to find my 3 and press it. You'll notice that the 2 went away. What the calculator is waiting for now is for me to press the last button, which is the equal sign. And all of a sudden, it's going to show me the final number, which is the answer to our problem. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's try another problem. And this time I'm going to break it up so that you can really see which buttons to press. So we'll do 3. And I'm going to put a box around it to show you that that is a button on the calculator. Plus, ooh, look at this, also a button on the calculator. Let's do 7, why not? You got it, it's a button. Equals another button. And then we write the answer based off of what we find on the calculator. So you saw that I still have the answer from my previous problem. So what I need to do is find this C. The C will clear my problem and let me start a new one. So to start this next one, I see a 3. So that's the first one I'm going to enter. 3 plus, highlights that plus, 7. Find my 7 on the calculator, equals, and there it gives me the answer. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Pretty cool, huh? All you have to be able to do is match those buttons and the number. Here, I'm going to think smarter, not harder this time. I'm just going to erase my numbers. Let's do another one. Let's do... You know what, let's have some fun. Let's get even bigger with our numbers. Let's do 9 plus 8 equals, let's find out what 9 plus 8 equals. So we have 9, there's our button. 9 plus another button. 8 equals 17. Whoa, what a big problem. 9 plus 8 equals 17. Let's get even a little bit bigger. I'm going to do something even more interesting. Okay, so we're going to do those boxes again for our numbers. But guess what? We're going to get into bigger numbers. Let's do it like this. 25. But check it out. Look, I can only enter 1-digit numbers on my calculator. So each of these is going to get a box before I press the plus sign. 25 plus 50. Whoa. Again, they both get a box. Equals, gets its own box because it's a button. Whew, I didn't leave myself a lot of room to write the answer, but we'll just have to make it work. All right, so 25. Remember, my answer from my last problem is still on. So do you remember what button we pressed to get rid of that one? The C. We're gonna clear out. Okay, so we have 2, 5, so 25. See how on the calculator it put it together nice and neat like that. Then we have plus 50. 50 is 5, 0. And then our equal sign will give us the answer. 25 plus 50 equals 75. It's very cool how big of problems you can do on your calculator. Believe me, your calculator can make so many numbers go all in a row to make the biggest numbers ever. So that is just one of the many ways to do addition. And like I said, it's the secret that most adults don't let you in on, is that that's how they do most of their addition too.